Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today I'm going to show you how we can solve the problem with our doll Blythe. She's constantly looking down. The head position is really downwards, so I really want her to make her look a bit up. For that you can always purchase a joint neck. So today I'm only going to show you how you can fix this problem a little bit so she can stay at least looking forward and not down like that. She's looking really down, if you can see that. So okay, let's open her up and see how to fix it. I already opened the head. I have another video tutorial if you want to see that. I'm going to put the link maybe up here on this eye or down in the description if you want to see how to open your Blythe doll for the first time. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. I also want to mention that I'm not only going to fix the neck, I'm going to carve it a little bit, but not only that, I'm also going to carve a little bit in the faceplate. Let me just show you a difference between two Blythe dolls. Okay, so you can clearly see we have lots of space here for her head to move up or down, but for this one we don't have that much space, and we don't want her to look more down, we want her to look more up. So that means I'm going to make a little bit of space here on the back plate. I will try to do that. Okay, so let's open her up and look at here, super stiff, so you can't make her move, only left and right, because it doesn't have any space here to move up or down. So we are going to make this a little bit shorter, not that much, and we are going to fix a little bit here, the part from the head, the back plate. I have these carving knives, a smaller one and a bigger one. I'm not sure if I'm going to use any of those. We will see how well this can do the job. Okay, so we are going to draw a little line here first, just to see how much we need to cut. So because this is my first time doing this, I don't want to take that much. Maybe when I'm going to fix one, the second one is going to be way easier because I will already know how much I need to go in. Okay, so once the line is set, then you can start carving. So little by little is the best way. Okay, so once this is done, you can also smoothen it a little bit if you want. I got these diamond files for the face when I'm going to start. So let's see which one can we use to smoothen a bit. So when you are happy with the result, okay, now I'm going to do a little bit in the back plate here. I'm going to go deeper. You should definitely focus on going way down and not left and right. You don't need to be that careful if you are doing this before you are customizing your doll. You might get scratches on it, so if your doll is already customized, I definitely recommend that you be way careful. Try not to scratch your face. Okay, let's try it on and see now. Definitely much more space now. Okay, so let's put the face plate. Look at that. So much more space. So let's clip it and see if it's enough. So I want to say a huge thank you to Kiddyland Toys for sending us the most amazing Blythe dolls ever. I can't wait to start customizing her. So I will put the link down in the description if you want to go and purchase yours. Okay, look guys, she's looking forward. Super cute, right? And you can always move into the back plate a little bit more if you want her to look way more up than this. I might just do that a little bit, but for the moment it looks really perfect like that. Definitely more flexible. So before she was looking like that, and now she can also look like that. Straight. Look at that. She's already bubbling. So if you are going to go deeper into the neck and carve her more, then she's definitely going to be more bubbly head. And I don't think you want to do that. It's better like this, just a little bit, so you can position her in pictures and do more prettier pictures and make her look up and not always constantly looking down like that. Okay, so I really hope this tutorial helped you guys. This is the cheapest and easiest way to do it if you don't want to purchase a neck joint. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe with the bell. Follow us on Instagram at Tanya's Toys Review, where we are going to post more pictures with Blythes and updates and everything. And we are going to see you soon with more customs on this doll. Bye guys!